All right, in this video, I would like to show you how to use a Q&A on Sakai. All right, there are a couple ways to access Q&A. There's a link here, so you can click on Q&A. You can get there. Or on the left column, there's a Q&A, so you can just click there and get there. All right, let's say you got stuck on a homework problem. Let's say it's homework 5 number 7 or something like that. Then there's at least one video for each homework question. So if you go to number 7, then there's a YouTube video posted, and you can watch that. It actually goes through the exact problem from the beginning to the end. So you can watch that to see if it helps. If it didn't help, then what you can do is you can post your question. So you can just click on the reply, then describe your question here. You can just describe, I just could put a garbage right now, then post. And as soon as I get it, and I would reply, then post my reply, so that I can help you out. All right. So if you have a question, first you go to Q&A, and to see one of these video helps. If it doesn't, then you can post your question. Then I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right. That's it. I hope that this was helpful.